Charting Your Way to Wealth, Chapter 6, Keep It Simple and Straightforward. People ask me all the time, why don't you add blank indicator to your charts? We could add many indicators, and we've looked at all of them. However, we apply Occam's razor in an effort to keep things as simple as possible. We also apply Einstein's cautionary advice to keep things as simple as possible, but not too simple. If we make things too simple, we don't have an effective tool. If we make things too complicated, we develop analysis paralysis. Ask anyone who's ever served in the military. They will confirm to you that complicated things break more easily than simple ones. Hence the acronym KISS. Keep it simple and straightforward, or as we like to say in the Marine Corps, keep it simple, stupid. Now, our method is not expected to work every time. In fact, no method does. If you could predict the market every time, there would be no market. It is much more complicated than anyone can imagine. If a system were developed to predict the market 100% of the time, the market would figure out how to ruin the system. We must therefore develop a method of charting that works most of the time and design systems to help minimize risks and cut losses. Feelings, emotions, hunches, and guesses will kill you. We only trade when the charts tell us to trade. We are not professional traders on Wall Street who must trade. We are never required to trade. We only trade when we have the time, energy, and information that tells us to enter the market. Otherwise, we watch our charts, study the market, practice trading techniques, and patiently wait for an opportunity. Once we enter a trade, we change our mindset. We look for every reason to get out of the trade. Fear, nerves, fluctuations in price, these are not reasons. Violations of trend lines, the changing of certain indicators, or the reversal of candlestick patterns may be reasons to get out of some or every trade. How will you know when to enter a trade, stay in, or exit? The answer is a simple word, but it requires profound commitment. The word is practice. How long will it take you to become an accomplished chartist? Well, no one can answer that question, not even you. It will take you longer than you think. Why is that? The market is a crafty, wily creature, and it yields its riches only to the most dedicated and persistent students. Now, is the investment worth the cost? Undoubtedly, yes. Once you master the market and stay sharp, its riches can be yours, but only as long as you remain practiced and dedicated to your craft. A professional tennis player can be said to have mastered tennis, but if the professional stops practicing, starts abusing drugs, gains excessive weight, loses coordination and strength, the player is no longer a professional nor a master. Before you embark on this journey, tighten your bootstraps, count the costs, and determine if you are willing to pay the price. If not, walk away. Consign yourself to the Weekend Warrior Amateur League and do not expect great results. Or you can hire a financial advisor who will outsource the entire process. It is up to you. I'm Tom Goolsby. We appreciate you being with us. We'll continue to be here for you. ChartingWealth.com.